Hi, I'm Kirby Allison. After an incredible visit to the ST Dupont factory in Faverges, I'm back in Paris, a city that never ceases to inspire discovery. From its unique boutiques to its rich heritage, Paris is home to treasures waiting to be uncovered, and it is for this reason that I love this city so much. ST Dupont has two boutiques here, the historic Rue de la Paix location, famed for its lighters and writing instruments, and the newer Rue Saint-Honoré boutique, showcasing their exquisite new collection of leather accessories, a craft that actually predates even their iconic lighters.
Bonjour.
After weeks of exploring the world of quality craftsmanship and tradition here in Europe, I know better than to return home empty-handed. So today, I'm visiting the Rue Saint-Honoré boutique to find the perfect gift for my wife and explore their exceptional leather collection, before stopping by the Rue de la Paix boutique to uncover some truly one-of-a-kind items only found here.
I think this is the one. Well, there we go. I think I found something that Bianca is really going to enjoy. One of the things I love so much about Paris is how in many of these boutiques, they have products that are only offered here in Paris. It's one of the things that makes traveling to this city so much fun. So next we're gonna head to the other ST Dupont boutique on Rue de la Paix, where they have an extensive selection of limited edition lighters and writing instruments. And there's something that I've been looking for myself. I'm gonna go see if they have it here in Paris. Bonjour.
Hello.
But one of the things I love about being in Paris is the opportunity to see some things that I might not see elsewhere. So one way to get the attention on the poker floor. Again, I've never seen this before.
No, this is an older version, and we still have people actually asking for those all the time.
Are these for sale?
They actually are, but it's only very, very few pieces left. So,
wow.
this
What is this?
what you call unique.